Hello students, welcome back to our YouTube channel Chemical Funda. In today's video, we are going to see Newland's law of octaves. In the year 1866, 56 elements were known and English scientist John Newlands he tried to arrange all these 56 elements in a group of table. He started with the lowest element hydrogen and ended up with a higher element thorium. Got it? And he found that the properties of every eighth element are similar to that of first element. For example, see this table. Here, properties of fluorine are similar to that of hydrogen. Fluorine is the eighth element after hydrogen. In the similar way, sodium is the eighth element after lithium and their properties are similar. Magnesium is the eighth element after beryllium. Their also properties same. Next, if you will see up to chlorine. Chlorine is the eighth element from fluorine. So their properties are also similar. So these Newlands compared this similarity with our Indian music. In our Indian music, we are having saptak. There are 7 notes. We call them as a saptak. They are like sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. See, we are having these 7 notes. But the first note is sa and last note is also sa. And that notes repeat. But their frequencies are different. In the similar way, Western music, they are also having their own saptak like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Got it? So first and the seventh, they are different. But the eighth element is again the same. The eighth note is again same. In the similar way, the properties of first and eighth are similar. And this similarity is known as Newland's law of octaves. See, now we will see limitations of Newland's law of octaves. First limitation is this Newland's law of octaves was applicable only up to calcium. See here in this table, this Newland's law of octaves is applicable only up to this calcium. And after calcium, he arranged many elements, but he could not find the similarity between the first and eighth element after calcium. So this is the first limitation of Newland's law of octaves. Now see second limitation, 2 elements in the same box. Next limitation is 2 elements in the same box. See here, under the note do, you can see cobalt and nickel. These are the 2 elements in the same box. Here, selenium and lanthanum. So here this ceruleum and lanthanum, they are also placed in the same box. So this is nothing but the limitation of Newland's law of octaves. See the next limitation, place of Fe. See here in this table again, Fe is placed under the note Ti here. You can see here Fe is placed, but the cobalt and nickel are placed along with these halogens, and Fe is placed far from this cobalt and nickel. Although the properties of ferrous, cobalt and nickel are the similar, but then also these 3 elements are placed very far distance from each other under the different nodes. And the last limitation is there was no place for newly discovered elements. So apart from these 56 elements, Newlands could not able to arrange the newly discovered elements in his original that Newland's law of octaves table. So this is nothing but the limitation of Newland's law of octaves. So this is all about Newland's law of octaves. I hope you have understood all these concepts regarding Newland's law of octaves. I have given a test in a description box. Try to solve that test. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me in a comment. And please share this video, like it, and subscribe my channel to get newly added videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you.